Hey guys, Josh here.
And Michelle.
And we are coming to you live from Seattle. And we have an unboxing for you today. We have our princess medallions.
Yeah.
And this is the package. We're going to unbox this right now, right, Shell?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. It says princess. So let's get this open, Shell.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Now, we've never had this.
No, we've never sailed princess before.
Nope. So this is something totally new for us.
I like how they say your name.
Michelle and Josh. Yeah,
Yeah.
I like it.
So we're going to need these tomorrow for our cruise.
Yeah. Oh, individual status.
Okay.
Oh, there is a, looks like a little thing, paper comes in here, tells you about it. So, yeah, let's open these. We did order them with things, right, Michelle?
I did, yeah. I don't know if they're in
Hopefully
here.
they're all in here.
Okay. Got it open. You kind of have to slide it out.
Yep.
Okay. So here's the medallion itself.
Really cool. It says the date. Medallion.
That's like a really
class.
nice little memento.
Yeah, I like that.
All right.
We'll
and
see if
then-
we like this better than the card, Shelly.
Yeah. Well, it looks like we just got the lanyard, but I ordered both things, so...
You ordered what?
I thought there was something else.
What did you think there was?
I thought there was two things that came with these. Like, maybe I'm wrong, though. I thought it was like a watch.
Oh.
So, here's the lanyard. I bought something to go on my watch.
But somebody said the lanyards are kind of...
Yeah.
They're not as good because then you got to stretch over time. But this does detach.
Yeah.
So that is good. So I'm wondering, so at the slot machines, do you
Just
scan this?
lay it, or
you lay it on it?
I
Like
don't know.
I'm really... So you could do this, Michelle, though. Is
Yeah.
this... I mean... Is there something... Does that click?
What?
I don't know. There's like a little thing here. I'm wondering.
Oh, I don't know.
Me neither. But yeah, so we got the lanyards.
Oh, I bet there's a bracelet thing you can buy for this.
Yeah.
Got a little thing under.
I'm probably just gonna go with a lantern because the lanterns. What did I say?
The lantern.
It's lanyard. Duh. But I'm probably just gonna go with that. Did it cost you extra money to get the?
No.
Oh.
It was all free. I thought I had two things, but maybe I misremembered.
Michelle's always misremembering stuff, if you know what I mean.
I did buy something. I have a Fitbit, so I bought that off Amazon. Should I show it?
Yeah. Where is it?
Hold.
Amazon for ours.
So these are off Amazon, and we have Fitbits.
Yeah, Fitbit.
So
To hang off the Fitbit like this, girl?
no,
Oh.
I can't get this open.
I said, did you need a knife? It's right here.
No, but you didn't have to do that. It just came open.
Oh,
Because I opened them before.
Look. Here. Okay.
So these just go on your watch.
Where?
Like here.
Oh. So let's
So-
show it. Well, not
This
for
is
us,
where I'm
Jack.
planning on wearing mine. Just on my like.
Well, if
little
you can
watch.
get it out of here.
Yeah. I need to go find mine.
Where did you...
I don't know.
Michelle, are you...
Duh. Duh.
Wait a minute. But yeah, so we got these two. I don't know if I'll do that. But
I don't even know how to get this thing out of here.
I don't know either. So that's why I said...
I got it.
How?
Just pushed it. There you go.
Broke everything.
No.
It's all broke, dude.
It's not broken.
Are you showing
Well,
them,
they
people?
go in here.
You
I
show-
can't get it in here. Oh my gosh.
Dude, we're on here and people are probably screaming at their TV saying,
Dang it.
they are big dummies.
Okay, I finally almost got it. Okay, it's in here now.
Yeah, I do like that actually.
Yeah.
And it makes me laugh so often.
I might put mine on the front side though, actually. The other side.
This is how I do mine. Yeah, I like this, Michelle. Good job.
Yeah, I thought this would be good because we already wear the watches, so like
all the time.
Yeah. I don't want to be having a lanyard around my...
That is a good idea.
Yeah,
Look at that, Scooter.
Yeah, we'll just wear these.
I've never called you Scooter.
You've never
That's your new nickname.
That's not my nickname.
So yeah, I do like that. But you're right, here would be better.
You think so? Because I just took it off to put it on this side.
No, because it's facing you all the time. You want it to face out.
Oh, well, shoot. So I'm glad that I bought these.
I am. Kind of. I am. I didn't know that. I thought we were getting a watch band or something.
Well, I thought so too, but like, we didn't, so.
Well, we're not showing any of this on
What?
the film, girl. Oh, now mine's won't go.
It will. Here, hold on.
Certified phone. It says, oh, I got it. Oh, wait, no, I didn't.
No, you didn't. It didn't click. Hold on. What are you doing here?
How do I do it?
Now it is.
There we go. So let's check this out now, guys.
Okay, now that we've spent like 8,000
People are going to be like, these people.
It's right here. So it's out and you can just tap it, I'm sure.
I like that. I like that way better.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you?
I do too.
Than
It's a little bit heavier, but it's okay.
Yeah, it makes it slide. So I'll have to wear it a little tighter.
I put mine a little tighter.
Slot machine. That's right. And then I'll just wear this around for decoration because that's what I want to do. Look at this. I'll be like, they didn't know this.
Yeah, I hate this lanyard.
And then as a joke, you go, scan it, and they'll be like...
All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're excited to get on our cruise tomorrow.
Yep. First Princess Cruise, and obviously we didn't know how to work any of these. Let's see if we like this better than Carnival's card.
Yeah.
And I think we might.
I think we might too.
But who knows?
Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe, guys.
Check out these other videos.
Yep. Bye.